be showing all of you guys about how to take your mini twists from 100 to 1000. Now, you know the traditional standard mini twist, you know, you twist it up, but as you can see, I got this fly, cute ponytail that is like so bomb, and I'm gonna show you how you can do this yourself. Like, you can do this yourself. So I am going to teach you how to get the pony. I'm going to first the mini twists without the pony, and then I'm going to show you mini twists with the hair added. So alright, let's get into the tutorial. Where I left off was so you twist up the one section. Now this is your choice. I was going to boil my ends, but honestly it just got away from me, so I didn't boil them. But you can do that if you want to. Me personally, I wanted to, but I don't know, maybe next time when I do them, I'll boil them, but whatever. So what you're gonna do is, so if you want to leave like out some bangs, because that's gonna be another like the style I'm going to show you guys. If you want to leave out some bangs, it's really a preference. So I always leave these ones out, the first three. And then, so as you can see, this is the back. I leave my side pieces out because this is me. That's just what I like. I leave I leave a little bit like of the sides out. I leave a little bit of the sides out. So don't put them all up immediately, because you're gonna see later why we don't put them all up immediately. So now this is preference. Like how high you want it is completely on you. Me, I don't like it like a top knot. I more so like it like kind of like right here. Right here is kind of like perfect for me. So I'm just gonna get more of those twists. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail, and again, I'm just gonna be looking over at my mirror, and I have a mirror right here too. So make sure it's even, not even, but make sure it's not crooked. I mean, unless you like it like that. There, it should look like this. Okay, so now here's the easy part. It's like real easy, I'm telling you. So you take your hair, you look down, but before you attach this piece together, you want to get all the rest of the hair that's out. You want to make sure to get all that hair. You want to make sure to get all that hair that's out. And you want to flip it. You want to like you don't want to put your ponytail on like that. You want to put your ponytail on like from the front. So when you flip it over, it's like you would flip it over the twist, but we're gonna hide the twist. So we're gonna hide them. We're gonna hide them. And this is why doing this ponytail is better in the mini twist. See how it already like hides it? We're gonna hide it even more, but see how it hides it? See? Cute, right? Cute. You know, you going out to the club or whatever, you want your little natural style. You want your little natural style, you know. This is the one, honey. This is the one. I'm telling you, this is so cute. Okay, so to finish the style, you're gonna want to find your mini twists. Try to like split them in half, because remember it looks like an onion. Depending on the length of your mini twist, then you're gonna want to take your bobby pin. See if you can see that. See. Mini twister right here. See? We're gonna do that. Mini twister right here. So we're gonna wrap them around. And see how well they blend in? Like they blend in so seamlessly. And then they'll blend in even more. Like it's such a nice style. Like, I'm telling y'all. I mean, I know I didn't like come up with this, but it's nice. It's nice. I mean, I'm like the other side, right? And then you pin that down. And again, it's preference, but for me personally, I like to pin it down because it makes sure it's secure. So then you take a piece from the back. Take a piece from the back. And then you see, just wrap it around. So simple. So simple. And you have your little cute hairstyle. See? Nice and cute. So that's really it, guys. Like that's it. And you got your little cute little ponytail, and you're gonna have to spend like 8 hours getting to it. Like, you got your little cute ponytail and you didn't have to spend 8 hours, spend you like $200 to get this little cute ponytail. So now I'm gonna just show you like some little cute styles I wear. I always have my little side pieces out because I think they're cute. Sometimes I'll wear it like that. Have my edges done. Y'all, when I'm telling y'all, I'm always getting complimented on this style, like all the time. Like all the time. And then like if you're a natural and you love long hair but you don't like weave, I'm telling you, this fulfills a need. Like this fulfills the need. So like this. Like that. Or I'll wear it like that. It's cute too. Little side. This is definitely gonna be one of my staples. Some cute hair shots here. this.